What is the hype about this product? The Ordinary Alpha Arbutin Serum. Why is everybody talking about it all of a sudden? Let's find out. Hi guys, Riona here. Have you noticed of late that most people have been talking about alpha arbutin? The Ordinary Alpha Arbutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid serum. All of a sudden everybody starts talking about it and they're like, oh, this product is good, this product did this to my skin, this product did that to my skin. And I'm like, oh wow, I've had this product for some time now and I've been using it and kind of gatekeeping, which is bad. Now when you hear alpha arbutin, the first thing that comes to your mind is, oh, hyperpigmentation, blah blah blah, and the rest. Yes, alpha arbutin basically helps brighten your skin. So alpha arbutin is one of those ingredients that acts as a tyrosinase inhibitor. It helps to depigment your hyperpigmentation, helps to brighten up your skin and the rest. So the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin serum is a two-in-one serum because it does not just have alpha arbutin, it has alpha arbutin and hyaluronic acid in it. And why I actually like the ordinary serums is that most of their serums are water based, so it gives you that double effect of doing the actual work and hydrating your skin. And if you know me well, you know I like products. I love products that actually hydrates the skin. So this is more like a two-in-one stuff, a two-in-one serum. And this is why for me the ordinary alpha arbutin has always been my go-to, especially this period that I'm actually battling with a whole lot of hyperpigmentation. And if you are struggling with hyperpigmentation, if you're struggling with acne and the rest, you would know that okay, at the most acne leaves scars, and those scars have to leave. They actually have to leave. So if you're battling with those stuffs, this should be this should be in your skincare routine. Now, if you check most of the ordinary serums, you would notice that most of their serums are concentrated. They are not just water based, they are concentrated. That means the major ingredients in most of their serums are actually in concentrated form, and which is why, to some extent, I think they work better and they have to be used carefully. Now, let's actually go to the Ordinary's website and see what they have to say about this serum, the alpha arbutin and hyaluronic acid serum. I checked their website and I noticed that they didn't really have much to say about it. So, in other words, they are trying to tell you we don't need to talk too much. Just try the product and you come back to leave reviews, leave positive reviews. But they basically just wrote in here that alpha arbutin helps target uneven skin tone, reduce the appearance of uneven pigmentation, and provide the skin with a brightening effect. That's all they had to say about this product. And if you look, you would see that, oh, there are lots of reviews about the product, positive reviews about the product. Now, what is this alpha arbutin we have been raving about? We've been shouting and talking about. What is this product like? What exactly does it do to the skin? Alpha arbutin is a naturally found hydroquinone, a common skin lightening agent. Now, let me pause there. You guys, when I basically just started my skincare journey, I was always told, oh, before then, I was always told that hydroquinone is very harmful to your skin. Hydroquinone is disastrous. Don't use any product that has hydroquinone. Sorry to burst your bubble. That is a lie from the pit of hell. That is a total lie. If you want to fade your hyperpigmentation, hydroquinone is one of those ingredients that would work perfectly well for you. Now, it is when you abuse these ingredients that it becomes harmful to your skin. not the mere use. Hydroquinone is very important for fading off hyperpigmentation. Yeah, so you will just want to know how to use it and use it properly, and make sure you don't abuse it so it doesn't damage your skin. Alpha arbutin is a naturally found hydroquinone, a common skin lightening agent, derivative isolated from dried plant leaves such as blueberry, cranberry, and bearberry. Alpha arbutin is Alpha arbutin for skin is an efficient skin lightening agent, reducing pigmentation and spots produced by acne or sun damage. Acne is so funny. It comes with pimples and its whole issues, itches and the rest, discomfort, and what is it called now? Forgotten the English. And it doesn't just leave. When it wants to leave, it doesn't just pack its bag and leave. It doesn't pack its baggage and leave. It leaves acne scar. If you're an acne prone skin girly like me, you would know that you definitely need this in your skincare routine. So the amount of melanin in your skin determines its color, triggered by an enzyme called tyrosinase in your melanocyte cells. Tyrosinase is triggered whenever your skin comes into contact with UV radiation, basically the sun. So alpha arbutin acts as an inhibitor to inhibit the tyrosinase activity by decreasing the pigmentation process produced by UV radiation. This helps your skin to avoid dark patches and tanning. So, need I say more? Now, the second major ingredient in this serum is hyaluronic acid. Of course, when you hear hyaluronic acid, the first thing that comes to your mind is water, hydration. So hyaluronic acid is a natural substance your body actually produces. Yeah, just like water. Your body produces water. Your body has water. Also, your body produces hyaluronic acid. Still, most of our skincare products have hyaluronic acid in them. Why? Because they help to hold moisture. They help to hold water, thereby helping your skin get moisturized and hydrated. This is why most times you are advised that when you are applying hyaluronic acid serums and the rest, you ensure you apply it on a damp skin, so that the dampness of your face, the moisture or the water on your skin or on your face is held by the hyaluronic acid, and of course this in turn keeps your skin hydrated. Hyaluronic acid keeps your skin hydrated, also makes your skin flexible, and on the long run builds your skin barrier, so that just anything, free radicals and the rest falling on your skin doesn't cause damage, because your skin is well shielded and well protected already. Now, don't get it twisted. You don't need all products you see online in your skincare routine. Check your skin concern, and buy the products that actually suits your skin and the product that would help treat your skin issues or skin concern. Don't just go to the supermarket, the mall and the rest to just buy any products you see online, especially on TikTok, because if you do that, you will just finish your money. Because there are a whole lot of products we skincare savvy talk about. So just make sure you are buying the product that actually suits your skin and is needed at the given moment. You need money for other things too, right? Now, how much is this product sold? Here in the UK and in the Ordinary's website, this product is sold for £10.50. Now, I don't know how much this product is sold in your country, but just make sure that when you want to order this product or when you want to buy the product, you check the Ordinary's website before buying it, so that you can compare the price with the price of where you are buying from, to ensure that you are not buying fake. I have had friends that have bought fake of this product. When a product is so good, it has a whole lot of counterfeit and adulterated version being produced by people in one corner. You understand? And when a product actually goes viral, that is basically what happens. So Don't just buy it out of the blues. Make sure that you watch this review to the end to know how the product looks like, probably other features about the product, and then you know that, oh, I'm actually buying the original when you get to buy it. Personal experience with this product. This is my second bottle. Yeah, I'm actually going to get another one because it's empty already. I exhausted it, yes. I know they use HA serum. So that should tell you that the product is good. So this was my face before I started using this product, and this is my face now. I don't need to talk too much. You can actually tell the difference. It's just that you should know that this is not the only tyrosinase inhibitor I'm using. I have other products in my skincare routine that has also helped me combat hyperpigmentation. But this, to a great extent, has actually helped reduce the hyperpigmentation. I've used this product for 2 months. So 2 bottles for 2 months. So basically 1 bottle per month. Depends on how you use yours. I've used this product for 2 months and I've been seeing a whole lot of changes, a whole lot of differences. But I need something that's going to work faster. When it comes to skincare, you just have to be patient. You have to be patient. I've been dealing with my acne breakout, serious acne breakout and hyperpigmentation for close to a year now. Yeah. The breakout started March 2023 and this is February 2024. So this is more like a year. You get. So when it started, I wasn't using the correct products and the rest, and now I've just started buying the right products. I wish there was a way I could scoop this product out so you guys can see what it looks like on the skin. It's finished. It smells like is it water now? Water and one chemical in it. It is totally exhausted. Ah, gosh. I use it on my injury too. This injury left dark scar on my hand, so I don't just use it on my face. I use it on other parts of my body too. Oh, it's finished. It's finished. It's exhausted, man. So it's basically like water. It's basically like water and it blends in to the skin well. You can see it gives this subtle shine when you're done with blending it all into your skin. How do you inculcate this product in your skincare routine? Very easy. You use it morning and night. Thank goodness it has hyaluronic acid in it, so it adds that extra hydration to your skin in your morning routine and your night routine. So after cleansing your face, washing your face, then you use your toner or your essence. Then if you use vitamin C serum, you use your vitamin C serum. Mostly when you are doing your skincare routine, you start from the lightest ingredients to the thickest ingredients most of the times. So your cleanser, toner, vitamin C serum, hyaluronic acid serum if you have. If you don't have, no issues. Then your alpha arbutin, then your moisturizer or any other serum you use, and then your SPF, your sunscreen. That's for morning routine. For your night routine, your cleanser, your toner, your vitamin C serum. Yes, I apply vitamin C serum at night too. Yeah, that whole idea of, oh, it's just meant for AM, don't use vitamin C serum at night, I'm so sorry. To some extent It's a lie, because vitamin C serum also works on your skin at night. It works for your skin at night. So I use it at night too. But don't use it when you have active breakouts. It's going to trigger more breakouts. Just use it when your active acne have gone down totally. Like mine have totally gone down. So I can safely use vitamin C serum now. So you use your cleanser at night. You use your cleanser. Oh Jesus, I talk too much. I delve too much. Cleanser at night. Your toner. Your vitamin C serum. Hyaluronic acid. Niacinamide serum if you have. Alpha arbutin. Tranexamic acid serum. I use close to 4 serums at a time. Don't mind me. Then your treatments, if you have any treatments you're using, like your faded topical or any other treatment you use, you can use it. Then use your moisturizer. You can actually use your alpha arbutin serum when you have actives in your skincare routine at a particular time. Example, your retinol, your tretinoin, and probably benzoyl peroxide and any other treatment in gel that you have to use. You can use alpha arbutin while using that. So it's a very safe ingredient that you can use morning and night. I hope you now understand why there's this hype about these products. I'm just wondering why it took us this long to actually realize that this product is this good. So you guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Do well to share, hit the like button if you like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and of course, till I see you guys next time. Bye bye.